Hi, Richard Lewald and Yolanda Lewald. We're here this afternoon going to do something very unique. And as you see from my videos, or if this is the first video you're going to see, please look at the other videos. And yes, you can subscribe to those videos, so you'll get to all the new videos we're putting on. There's 3 or 4 a month that we're producing. We're creating measurements and illustrations of how everything is energy and that it can be measured. And the problem being that with most people, they talk a lot about energy, but some of these aspects of energy is actually been known for more than 10,000 years. There's been documents that they've found, okay? And so for me, I'm still a student, and this is a study that I do every day, and I work with it with clients so we can measure all kinds of energies, homes, any item, because everything you put in, on, near your body is energy, okay? And these fields interact. So in fact, we are surrounded from galactic, cosmic, magnetic, gravitational forces, and they're all working with us. And it's trying to keep ourselves in balance and therefore to optimize health. So I'm really big on health, but because everything is energy, you know, when we put food in our body, we put food in our bodies because we're hungry. Our bodies need energy. So that's just the way we're perhaps doing it at the present time in this body and in the scene. So we have something very unique. If you have seen some of the other videos, we're going to work with people's DNA. And what the DNA furnishes us is with the person's frequency. And yes, there's different ways that people maybe test for things, muscle testing and so on. Good, but this way I wouldn't be touching anyone. And we are going to see just simply by sort of a remote device, okay, how much energy actually exists. Because everything, again, being energy, being vibration, also being consciousness. So Q-tips, I'm going to give to Yolanda, and she is going to put some saliva on those. And I'm going to put these aside here. We're going to enter these in these 2 tubes. Perfect, thank you. And then I'm going to take my wands. Each one is going to go in here. And this being her frequency, you can see it's pointed to her. It stays pointing to her. Walk sideways a little bit. And you can see, take another step. It follows her. Walk back. Just keep on walking back, okay? So, it moves because just like every radio station has its own frequency, every person has their own frequency. Again, anything being energy is vibration, is frequency. So we are unique, yet we share so much of our DNA. 99.99% of our DNA is what we share with each other. Okay, so as I walk backwards, you can see how this will stay focused for as big as her energy field is. But as I go backwards, at some point, you start to see how the wands start to open up. And she's got a good energy field here. So look what happens. So this is the edge of her energy field. Call it the aura, whatever, okay? So there you are. That's her current life force. That's everything within her, on her, and so on. So being able to measure these other things, okay, and I'm just going to point it while I'm here to the cameraman, and it's not his frequency, or to another person. I'm going to take him back and point him back to Yolanda. Boom, they go there again. Again, I take it to another person, not their frequency, okay? It's just like if you're tuning into a radio station, you got to be tuned to that radio station. Okay, so this is Yolanda's energy field. And we thought that we were going to bring our new kitty, Oleander, and he's going to be the star in this one. And since he's a pretty wild cat, he's got a lot of energy, a lot of spunk in him. Janine is going to pass the kitty to Yolanda. So go ahead. Yeah. And watch what happens. Kitty had a bit of reaction to the drone, and you can see that the energy field of the cat and Yolanda is actually merging. You can see how that is changing. So now it's starting to slow down and we're creating synergy. Okay, watch what happens now. So the cat also being energy and has in his energy field, but together it's merged, synergized with Yolanda's energy field, and see how much more energy you can have. So your pets, particularly if they love you and you love them, there's an amazing energy flow. We've more than doubled the energy field. And the kitty is usually pretty rambunctious, but right this moment, he's pretty cool. He's pretty calm laying there. So we got a 2.5 times perhaps energy field, certainly more than double. And so cats can contribute to your environment, to your home, to your health, your well-being. And we know cats purr because they like you. And you know, it's again coming into it that the source that created us and created everything, okay, created the universe, is a source of love. And that is the area that we need to live in too. Love is the ultimate source of energy. So anyways, thank you for watching this. Subscribe to our channel, and I hope you enjoyed Oleander and Yolanda in this video. And we're open to questions, suggestions. Please send them to us and we'll try to get back to you.